The best dashcams for 2023. Having dashcam installed in your car can be incredibly beneficial if you ever got into an accident. Not only can they provide helpful evidence to help you prove fault, but they also offer peace of mind that if something goes wrong while on the road, you'll have proof. So many different types of models out there, it's hard to know which one offers top-notch video quality, rear camera, interior camera, and clear night vision. That's why we've put together this list of the best dashcams for 2023. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly model or want all the bells and whistles, these top-rated cams are sure to give you plenty of protection on the road. Rove R2 4K dashcam built-in Wi-Fi GPS. The Rove R2 4K dashcam built-in Wi-Fi GPS is a revolutionary device that offers Ultra HD video recording and superior night vision technology. It boasts a high resolution of 2160p and an ultra-low light sensor NT96660 plus Sony IMX335, allowing for clear dashcam footage captured during night drives. The built-in Wi-Fi enables easy access to recording on iOS and Android devices, and users can share 4K videos directly via the Rove app. Dashcam also offers GPS tracking to record driving locations and speed, which can be viewed on Google Maps through its Wi-Fi connection. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is one of the best dashcam for 2023, offering a discreet design and crystal clear dashcam record. The camera mounts directly behind a rear view mirror for minimal visibility, while the 140 degrees lens provides 1080p footage with Garmin Clarity HDR optics that ensure clarity both day and night. To make it even more convenient, voice control available in English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Swedish lets you use spoken commands to save video, start-stop audio recording, or take still pictures. The camera also comes with a parking guard feature that monitors activity around your parked vehicle and alerts you if something suspicious is detected. REDTIGER Dashcam Front and Rear. REDTIGER Dashcam Front and Rear is the best dashcam for 2023 because it offers a superior level of safety and security on the road. The optional rear camera records in 4K plus 1080p dual recording, so you can always be sure to capture all the key details of your drive. Its wide-angle lens technology ensures that no critical area will go unnoticed, with its front angle at 170 degrees and rear angle at 140 degrees. Additionally, thanks to its superior night vision feature, capturing important details in low-light conditions is easy and clear. The dashcam also comes with a Wi-Fi smart app control, which allows you to control the device from your smartphone or tablet. Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dashcam Infrared Night Vision. The Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dashcam Infrared Night Vision is one of the best dashcams available for 2023. With its dual-lens 1080p functionality, it can clearly capture both the front and inside of a car cabin with stunning crystal details. It also has an impressive single-front 2.5K 1440p dashcam that can record smooth footage at 1920x1080p at 60 fps mode or kissed image at 2560x1440p at 30 fps mode. Furthermore, its infrared night vision allows for flawless video footage even in low-light conditions, so you won't miss a thing. Additionally, the 24-hour sparking mode and auto LCD off timer make sure your recording are always up to date, and the loop recording with G-sensor ensures maximum protection in case of emergency. Conclusion: when it comes to finding the best dashcams for 2023, there are a lot of options out there. Each one has its own unique features that make them great choices for any driver looking for extra protection on the road. From Ultra HD video recording and superior night vision technology to voice control and GPS tracking capabilities, these top-rated dashcams offer plenty of features that can help you stay safe while driving. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly model or want all the bells and whistles, our list of the best dashcams for 2023 should have something perfect just waiting for you.